Welcome back to the channel. Today we are out on an adventure to Dublin Bay, just out of Wanaka, taking the Subie. It's a pretty straightforward, easy wee track that's really local to me. It's not too long, but you get some epic views along the way. Let's go and check it out. So this is Dublin Bay out here. This is a pretty amazing spot to be. I'm going to show you around a little bit. You can check out some of the views, some of the local mountains and the shores of Lake Wanaka. So in the distance we've got Mount Maud, Mount Burke and Mount Gold, my favourite. Alright, we're going to jump back into the Subie and see what the rest of the track's got in store for us. And now we're at the entrance or the outlet for the Clutha River, which runs from Lake Wanaka all the way out to the ocean. Domino's pizza box. So I'm just filming on my phone right now, just because I've gone and landed my drone in that tree up there. So I'm just going to try and figure out how to get it down. I'm going to put a snatch strap to the back of the Forester around the tree and see if I can bump it down. Wish me luck. So as you can see, I've just got the drone looking up at the sky at the top of the tree there. And then, if we come out here, we've got the Forester hooked up with a snatch strap to the tree, and it is up in amongst those leaves up there. Okay, so I'm in the Forester. I've got the snatch strap hooked up to the tree as high as I can possibly get it. I've got on the camera on here, I can see which way the drone is pointing, where the camera is pointing, and it's moving every time, giving it some light little pulls on the snatch strap, and it seems to be moving, so I'm just going to give it a few more goes and hopefully, fingers crossed, it comes down. Whoa, she's moving. Really don't want to pull the tree over in front of all of the holiday guests over the other side of the river either. All for your entertainment. First time I've put a drone in the tree actually. It just dropped. Let's go and check out where it went. I think it's gone to another spot in the tree, but lower down, which is good. We just got to try and find where it is. Found it. Come on, little drone. Hey, we got it. That probably broke. Poor little guy. Oh, she's taken a hiding. Unfortunately, the drone has taken a wee bit of a hit on the front there, but it looks like it's just a clip-on part of the camera, I'm hoping. And that didn't happen on the last part of impact, so obviously it happened when it hit the tree. Let's do a wee look and a wee test, see if it still works. It flies, still good. So I'm building up a bit of a sweat. I think I'm going to pack up and go home now. So I crashed the drone into the tree. We've got it down, the snatch strap, nice and high up in the tree trunk. About maybe 10 sort of good yanks on the forester, and it came down, just down to a branch that I could collect it from. It still flies, but the camera on the front, the little shroud on the front is broken off. But I think it's still going to be repairable and fixable, so go the Mini Pro 3. I'm going to go pack up, go head home and try and fix my drone up. Until next time, catch ya.